Can I trade Forex on Webull? Webull does not currently support Forex trading, which may surprise many users who are familiar with its comprehensive offering of stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. A lesser-known fact is that Webull, despite being a commission-free trading platform for stocks and options, does not provide the ability to trade foreign currencies, unlike other platforms like TD Ameritrade or Interactive Brokers. Another surprising detail is that Webull focuses on a more streamlined, simplified user experience, primarily catering to equity and options traders, rather than offering the complexity and tools needed for Forex trading. One of the advantages of Webull's platform is its user-friendly interface, which is optimized for equity and options traders. For those interested in stocks and options, Webull provides real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and extended hours trading, making it an appealing choice for many active traders. The platform also offers commission-free trades, which helps reduce costs and makes it ideal for short-term traders. However, for traders interested in Forex, Webull's lack of support for this market is a significant drawback. Webull's focus is largely on equities, ETFs, and options, which means that if you are a Forex trader, you will need to look elsewhere. Popular alternatives for Forex trading include platforms like OANDA, IG Group, or Forex.com, which are specifically tailored for currency trading and offer a wide range of currency pairs, as well as advanced charting and analysis tools designed for Forex markets. Despite Webull's success in other asset classes, its inability to offer Forex trading means that traders who are interested in diversifying into the currency market will be forced to use multiple platforms to meet their trading needs. While Webull offers powerful tools for stock and options trading, it is not a viable choice for those focused on Forex trading, which remains a key limitation of the platform.